The economic of small-scale poultry farming. That's what we want to discuss in today's video. In recent years, many people have been curious about small-scale poultry farming. Some people wonder if it is a good way to earn money or simply a fun hobby. Well, we are here to break it down for you. Let's talk about the economic of small-scale poultry farming in terms. Poultry farming is a significant source of revenue generation for small farmers. It plays a vital role in fulfilling the daily protein requirements of humans through meat and egg consumption. Now, getting started. First thing, you will need some chicken. You can start small with just a few. You will also need a safe place for them to live, like a chicken coop. All of this might cost a bit of money, but don't worry, it's an investment. Let's move to the spending of money. Once your chicken are settled, you will need to feed them. Chicken feed can be found at your local store. It's one of your regular expenses. You will need to think about health care for your chicken, like vaccine and treatment for common chicken illness or disease. Now let's talk about earning of money. Now let's talk about making money. Chicken can provide you with income in a few ways. They can lay eggs, which you can sell. Some people also raise chicken for meat. You can sell their meat when they are fully grown. Some chicken owners even sell special egg, like organic or fancy colored ones, for a bit more money. So now let's do the calculation, or let's do the math. To figure out if your poultry venture is worth it, let's do some basic math. Add up all your expenses, for example like the feed, the healthcare, etc., and subtract that from the money you make from selling eggs or meat. This is called your profit. If your profit is positive, you are on the right path. Definitely your profit will be positive if you manage your poultry farming well. So now let's move to the seasonal changes. Keep in mind that chicken farming can be seasonal. In colder months, egg production might drop a bit and you will need to spend more on heating. So plan for these changes in your budget. That one is very important. Growing bigger. If you like chicken farming and want to do more, you can expand. You might need a bigger coop and more chicken. Just remember, as you grow, your expenses and workload will grow too. So plan that carefully. Let's talk about market demand. One of the key factors to consider in poultry farming is the high demand for poultry products. A poultry product in a growing population, and chicken, meat and egg are staple food in many households. This demand provides a steady market for small-scale poultry farmers. Variety of breed. We have different varieties of chicken breed. We have the local or the indigenous breed. Then we have the commercial breed or the exotic breed. So it depends the type of breed you want to raise. Either it is for the egg or for the meat production. Let's talk about the affordability and accessibility. The affordability and accessibility of poultry input such as chicken feed and veterinary service make it easier for small-scale farmers to get started. Local markets often provide affordable feed options, and there is a growing network of poultry veterinary and extension service to assist farmers. What about the income generation? Small-scale poultry farming can provide a steady source of income for rural and urban poultry farmers. Selling eggs and chicken meat can generate income that can be used for household expenses, education, and for healthcare. What about the job creation? Poultry farming also contribute to job creation, especially in rural areas. As small-scale farmers expand their operation, they may need additional help with tasks like feeding, cleaning, and egg collection. This can provide employment opportunities for local community members. Value addition. Entrepreneurial small-scale poultry farmers have explored value addition opportunities. This include producing products like processed chicken meat, sausage, and egg product. This value-added product can fetch higher price in the market, increasing profitability. Now let's move to the challenges. While small-scale poultry farmer offer many opportunities, it also comes with the challenges. For example, we have the disease outbreaks such as Newcastle disease, and access to clean water as significant concern. Additionally, market price fluctuation and competition can affect the farmer's income. Training and education. To succeed in small-scale poultry farming, it is essential for farmers to acquire knowledge and skill. Various organizations and government agencies offer training programs and resources to educate farmers about best practice in poultry management. Let's move to government support. Government has recognized the potential of poultry farming and has initiated programs to support small-scale poultry farmers. These programs include subsidies on poultry input, disease control measures, and financial support. Rules and regulations. Lastly, be aware of the rules in your country. This might be law and permit you need to follow. It is important to stay legal and safe. Take away, a small-scale poultry farming holds promise as a viable economic venture with a growing market, suitable breed, and support from both government and private sector initiatives. It presents opportunities for income generation, job creation, and economic development. However, farmers should be prepared to address challenges like disease management and market fluctuation through proper planning and continuous learning. So small-scale poultry farming can be a path to financial stability and prosperity for those willing to invest their time and effort in it. I hope you enjoyed this video concerning the economy of small-scale poultry farming. So poultry farming is a very profitable agricultural business. Thank you for sticking with us at the end of the video.